Welcome guys, this is video number 3. You're only gonna get 3. This one is why basically you're going to choose me as a mentor. My dog is over here. She loves me as a mentor. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, I'm a very straight to the point person. There's no BS, there's no fluff in my course whatsoever. Nobody's got time for that. And if you do have time for that, God, you're lucky. I want some more of my time back. You've probably wasted, I don't know, 24 hours. We'll give it 24 hours total looking at BS stuff from people that don't know how to trade, people that don't really trade, people trying to scam you. I get all these questions every day. So that's why I'm making this video for you. My number is on my website, I believe, and my number's everywhere. If you need to call me, you call me. That is what's great about my students. My students don't hesitate. You have a problem, boom, boom, text me. You have a problem, you don't have your phone on you, boom, get on your computer, email me. I have my phone on me all times. I'm here for you every day. I give you a spreadsheet. You're gonna track everything you do. Every trade you even think about in your head making, and you thought it was a good idea, I want it in the spreadsheet. That way when I look at your spreadsheet, because yes, I look at every single student's spreadsheet when they send it to me, I'm gonna go back through it. We're gonna look at every trade that you even thought about making, and we're gonna decipher it. I'm gonna tell you what's wrong. I'm gonna ask you questions. Why did you do it? I want you to put notes in the spreadsheet. I'm gonna look why you thought it. Maybe it was a good idea. Maybe it was a bad idea. Maybe you're just missing 1 or 2 pieces that are key pieces in order for you to start being profitable every day on the market. And those are big pieces usually. Maybe you need help with entries and exits. I can help you with that. Again, you have a question, you text it to me. You ask any of my students, I respond within an hour. Usually it's within 5 minutes. Most of the time, honestly, it's within a minute or 2. As soon as my phone dings, boom, I'm on it, messaging you guys back. I run everything through my phone now, pretty much. I have my phone on me at all times, unless my phone dies. Don't call me at 12 p.m. Or midnight my time. Probably not gonna answer because I do go to bed early, but that's why you need me here with you, because during the day, mornings, evenings, midday, after you just took that horrible trade and you took that horrible loss because you didn't listen to me, and then you're gonna call me and go, why did this happen? And I'm gonna break it down right there for you, or I'm gonna tell you, let me look at it. I'm gonna go do it real fast. I'm gonna take down some notes, look at the stock, look at how it reacted, see the news, see the catalyst of it, bring it all together, make one plan just for you. I do this for all of my traders, guys. All of my students get this when you pick me to teach you. You're not just getting a course where I never talk to you again. No, I talk to every single student. You basically join my course, you get all the material. It's gonna teach you everything right then and there. But when you struggle, you don't have to just go back and look at video on video on video on video. I'm there for you. I can show you exactly what video to go watch. I can teach you straight through it. I can talk you through it 99% of the time. So with that being said, that's why I say choose me. Get in before this price goes up. I have it at $150 right now. I guarantee you that's gonna go up. Spots are starting to fill in really fast. This is the first time I've actually launched this to the public. So with that being said, guys, I hope to see you guys soon. I hope you choose me to let me mentor you through this awesome period of your life where you're ready to change your life. So with that being said, let me help you change your life just like I changed my own to financial freedom.